what happened today is a Xiaojiang wrong. Working and earning money is what you should do. What's more, you're making hard money. I've educated him. 下去啊。Qiaozhang will take over the group in the future. You hate him. You didn't give face to the Jiang family. Mr. Jiang, I'll take this alone. Please let me release my coworker. This thing, Xiaojiang also has responsibility. You've been punished too. That's a complete story. Thank you, Mr. Jiang. But Xiaoxuan, I have something to bother you. Xiaojiang encountered some trouble. Need you help him.
I ran into someone on the way back just now. That person's life is quite tough. I went back and pressed him again. Stimulate! I have a video.
You beast!